Hello guys, hello. My name is Junior Ferdinand. Today I want to teach you how to prevent account termination on Amazon. Account termination on Amazon is very bad because if your account is being terminated, you will not be able to create another Amazon account and you will not be able to receive your payment for previous royalty. That you will not get paid for your previous earning in Amazon. So I want to give you 5 tips on how to prevent account termination. What I've discovered over the years, how to prevent account termination on Amazon. Number 1 is copying book cover uncreatively. That is to say, you are copying other people book cover tit for tat. Like you are copying other people book cover. Like example, you want to create a book cover under your niche and you copy someone book cover. Like you use exactly what he used, the color you use, the title, exactly how the book cover design is. You use the same color, you use the same fonts, you use the same background, everything. Amazon don't allow that. That is also misleading the audience. That's if you are using another person book cover design, it will be misleading Amazon customers audience. They will mistakenly go and buy your book thinking that they are buying the one they came to search for. So Amazon don't tolerate that. They don't like seeing 2 book cover designs. The same book cover design is not advisable as a Amazon publisher. So now what you do is to create a unique book cover, so that to avoid Amazon termination. Now, number 2 is using someone name of book as a keyword. This is very bad. This is very bad because this is misleading customers. Now, if you are using someone name of book as your title or as your keyword or anything, someone name of book, Amazon will instantly terminate your account, because when Amazon customers want to find that particular book, your book will appear. You understand? It will appear because they type the name of the book, your book will now appear. Especially if you use the person's name, the person book title, it is not allowed. It's misleading Amazon customers. So Amazon customers will likely be misled by that and they will go and buy the wrong book. It will make Amazon customers to lose interest in buying books. So Amazon avoid this at all costs. So for that, they will terminate that person's account. So number 3, keyword stuffing. That's you are using keyword repeatedly, like your keyword of your book, you keep on repeating it in a particular book, in a particular title, in a particular subtitle, in a particular like you overuse your keyword in your book. Amazon don't like that. You have to have a targeted keyword. You have to focus on that keyword that you are targeting, and you use that keyword only like once in that your title, your description and everything. Like just use it, don't overuse it. You understand? It's not allowed in Amazon. Number 4 is using the wrong category. Now, if you are using the wrong category, like you are writing book on health niche, and you are putting your book category under love niche, is not advisable. You have to put your category under the book title, under what the book is all about. You understand? And eventually a person, by hoping that you see the what the book is all about, and like reading the book, you now discover that you are writing on love and you put it on health need. That is wrong. You understand? You have to know your category very well. You want to write on and everything, you have to know it and use the right category while uploading your book to Amazon. Number 5 is creating multiple accounts. Let's say, for example, your account was terminated for doing some things. You decided to create another account. Amazon will still terminate that account because you are using the same name, the same account details, the same, like you just use everything the same. Amazon, if they find out, they can still terminate that account again. You understand? So if you must create another account after your account have been terminated, you have to use different bank accounts. You have to use different name and different email and different phone number to create another account. You understand? So I hope you got value from this. So be safe, so that you will not fall into being terminated in your account. Hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the post notification.